guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have never seen me before, my name is Pam, and on my channel I share beauty, hair, and sometimes lifestyle content. So if that's what you like, please stick around and subscribe down below. Alright you guys, so I just want to do like a chit chat, get ready with me, and just talk about random stuff like things happening and how you have been doing mentally. And let's just get straight into the video. To prime my face, I'm gonna use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. I have been using this and they just, sent me more product, and I was like, honey, that's fun, because this is what I have been using. Like, so you guys, if you see me leaning this side, I'm also doing like reels or shorts, or I'm also doing my TikTok videos on my other camera. So I just want to let you guys know that, because I mean, when you're a content creator, you just have to put your stuff out there, otherwise not everyone is gonna see it. So you just gotta do what you gotta do. So I haven't been posting a lot on my YouTube channel because I feel like everybody, like most of us are just into short videos. So I feel like when I post a longer video, not everyone is watching, and it's like our attention span has just gone, or maybe people are just over it, So I was like, you know what, let me just see how I can, navigate through my content and, post something. But at the end of the day, I still feel like I'm just gonna post what I love doing, because that's just my passion. That's just what I love doing. So I normally just use like 2 pumps or 3 pumps, but because I want a flawless look and I want like a full face, I'm going to use like maybe 2 pumps or 3. So I have 3 over there. And guys, I've been using this, and oh my god, just see the way it applies. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend and cover everything. Yeah, so like I was saying, I just feel like our attention span has just gone, from I feel like our attention span has gone from like zero, like everybody's just like, you know what, whatever, I should have done my eyebrows before the foundation, but I think I was just a little distracted. But I normally do my eyebrows before my foundation, but we're gonna make it work. I mean, when you know how to do makeup, when you know how to do your makeup, you always find, a way around things. So for concealer, I'm gonna use the Armani Beauty concealer, and this is in the it's the luminous silk concealer as well, and the shade is 6. So let's just apply it. The under eye and the darker areas of my face, and this gives you like a certain glow, you know what I mean? Like, it's just, there's a certain glow that this gives you. I use my setting spray just to, use to blend it extremely gently, because this part is the one that is a little brutal. Yeah, so sometimes I feel like the other reason why I wasn't posting is because I was like, who's gonna watch, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, there'll always be your people, you know. You always have your people. Use my Laura Mercier translucent powder to just you know. And if you notice, I am blending it in right away because I want it to be blended. I'm not gonna let it sit. So I'm gonna use the Armani Beauty tints. These are how they look, and this is in, I think they just give the number. So I put some this side, and that's how much I put, and I'm also gonna put some the other side. I think depending on how you like it, you can definitely blend these out. So because I love my things blended, like really blended, I'm gonna take a little time blending this because, honey, I love it. Like, it's giving me a neutral shimmery color that I love, love, love. So I'm gonna use the Armani Lip Maestro in 531, but you get it. This is my favorite color. This is the final look of the Get Ready With Me chit chat. I don't even know if the things were colliding or they were in order, but you guys get it. You get it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like these types of videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will leave all the details to the products that I used in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please, if you like what you're seeing and if you like the vibes around here, please make sure you subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.